In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block eBay buyers. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your eBay account to prevent problem buyers from bidding on or purchasing your items, and how to fine-tune the rules so they fit your shop. Start on eBay's homepage and make sure you're signed in to the account you use for selling. Move your cursor to the top right area and hover over the My eBay menu. A drop-down will appear. From there, click Selling to open your Seller Hub. This is your central dashboard for listings, orders, and all your selling tools. Once the Seller Hub loads, scroll down the page until you find a section labeled Shortcuts. This panel pulls together quick links you'll use often. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It's typically located below the main overview cards. In the Shortcuts list, look for the option called Block Bidders and click it. This takes you to the area where you manage who can bid on or buy your items and where you control your buyer requirement rules. On the block settings page, you'll see your buyer requirements. These settings let you automatically restrict buyers who don't meet the standards you choose. Select Edit to adjust them. Here, you can set rules that help prevent common issues, such as blocking buyers with a history of not completing transactions or buyers whose primary shipping address is in locations you don't ship to. You can also refine how broadly these rules apply, so they match the way you do business, rather than using one-size-fits-all settings. As you review each option, think about the types of problems you've encountered in the past and tailor the requirements accordingly. For example, if you've had repeated non-payments, choose stricter purchase criteria. If your shipping is limited to certain regions, make sure those restrictions are reflected here. Many sellers also like to apply these rules to all current and future listings to keep things consistent and save time. When you're satisfied with your selections, save your changes. Your updated buyer requirements will take effect, and eBay will automatically enforce them during bidding and checkout, reducing the need for manual intervention on your part. That's the entire process. Hover over My eBay, go to Selling, scroll to Shortcuts, select Block Bidders, open your block settings, and edit them to match your needs. A quick review now can save you a lot of hassle later. If things change in your business, come back to this page and adjust the settings anytime. Thanks for watching and happy selling.